Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing a product. So this is going to be a mini review of the Innisfree My To Go cushion. So I recently got the Innisfree cushion because I wanted a cushion foundation and I finally something that would suit my skin tone. This cushion is customizable. This is something you can, you can customize it for yourself. Like you can decide the amount of coverage and the kind of finish that you want. If you look here, you can see that there are moisture level, then there is the coverage, and then there is your shade range. So for moisture level you get 1 to 3, and that is the first number. So if you take 1, that is matte, and if you take 3, that is dewy finish, and 2 is like velvet satin finish, and then you get coverage from 1 to 5, and first one is obviously the natural coverage, and then 5th is the full coverage, or like they say, it's the perfect coverage. I thought I do have full coverage foundation, so why not try something that is more on the natural coverage. Now I don't really mind the scars seeing through, and even if so, I can always cover them up with concealer. So I just wanted to try this out, and I wanted it to be something that I can use on a daily basis. If not on daily basis, I mean, I don't wear makeup at home, but if I want to go out and I want something light, I wanted something light, so I thought why not try this out. So this one, it's enriched with Jeju green tea seed oil, and it's a mineral cover complex. So this foundation also has SPF 35 PA++, but I would always suggest you to always wear a sunscreen even if your product has some. Also, I got this in the shade W35 Golden Cinnamon. Now I won't say that the shade range is amazing, but for a Korean product I think it's pretty inclusive, and there are a bunch of Indian products that didn't have these shades until like a year back. So yeah, so we get the cushion and the puff separately. So this is the cushion case. It's a kind of like a matte black finish. It's not even black, it's like very dark gray. It has a mirror inside it, and there's the cushion, and I'm gonna take this off. And unlike your traditional cushion, there's no direct, you're not going to be pressing into the cushion directly. There's like this plate here, and you press onto it, and the cushion, like the foundation, dispenses over here, so you're not directly touching the cushion, like the cushion foundation thingy, so which I think is much more sanitary. You don't directly press onto the plate, you press here instead. There's this button thingy, and you can dispense the product here. Now since this one is a little new, I need to press it a little 2 to 3 times to get the product out. So yeah, now it's out. This is what the foundation looks like. Now I got 3.1, which is dewy natural, and even for the natural finish I didn't think that it covered a little bit of my scarring, which is amazing because I really wasn't expecting any coverage out of this, but it did cover up a little bit of my scarring, which is amazing. Not that I would mind, because I got the natural, coverage for myself, right? Now talking about the finish, it's amazing. Like it looks like your skin but glowy. Like look at that. Now this foundation is very moisturizing. It feels very nice on your skin, but it doesn't feel oily or heavy at all. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and see how the rest of my makeup sits on top of this. So for the final verdict, I think this is an amazing foundation. Everything laid on top of this beautiful. It did not make anything look patchy, it did not move, it did not lift. Everything laid on top of this really beautifully. So I think this foundation is amazing, and it's pretty brown girl friendly. We have a cushion that is brown girl friendly. I think this is an amazing buy, and the best part according to me about this is that this is customizable. Like I got dewy natural. If you want a little bit more coverage, you can go 3.3, maybe 3.4, whatever you want. Even maybe you don't want a dewy foundation, but you also want the glow, so you can try the velvet satin finish, which is 2. So you can customize this foundation according to your skin, your preference, which is amazing. I really don't think I have any more to add. I think this cushion foundation is amazing. It's very easy to carry. It's pretty portable. I wouldn't say it's the skinniest, but it's not the bulkiest either. So you can carry it around wherever you want to, and it's pretty convenient. You have the puff, you have everything in here, you have a little mirror here, so you can apply it whenever you want to, wherever you want to. And so you get, I don't know how many shades do you get, but I think 3.3 to 3.7 is for medium to dark skin. Now 3.7 is the darkest foundation, and it's a little more darker than this, and it's a little more on the cool tone side. So if you're someone with warm tone and around my skin tone, you might want to buy 3.5, and it would be a really good match for you. So like, even with the application, I think it's really easy to apply this foundation. There's literally nothing you have to do. Even the product doesn't come out a lot, so you're not using a lot at one time. You don't have to worry about using a lot of foundation at a single use. You get one pump of it, and that's enough, honestly. Not for your entire face maybe, but it's enough. You're not using a lot of product at once. If I have to rate this foundation, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because I really don't know where I can take anything. I can't really think of anything where I can deduct a point. So that was all about the review, and I hope this video helped you in any way, and if it did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.